Luli here from ABI Interiors. Today we are going to be meeting with Kellie and Scott as they begin their journey building their dream home.
Hi, I'm Kellie.
And I'm Scott, and we've decided to move to the Gold Coast and build our family home. We've decided to move to Burleigh Heads. It's great with the National Park, Tallebudgera Creek's beautiful, and
Just a
great
lifestyle.
Great lifestyle here.
We decided to document our build, and we're going to call it Ohana Beach House. Ohana meaning family, because I was supposed to have my mum come and live with us, and that was part of the design of the property, but sadly mum's passed away. So we're just going to continue with the original design.
When we first moved here, we were always sort of planning on building. A lot of the houses in this area are older houses, so probably the easiest and most cost-effective way would be to just knock down and start again. Currently with the build, we've had all the stumps put in, so now they're doing the floor.
Good to see something coming out of the ground, finally.
Next, we'll have the wall frames going up. And then we'll start to really see some height and starting to take shape where we can see the rooms and the layout.
And we can walk through and
get a feel for the space.
Yeah, it'd be great.
A few little design issues, I suppose. Our little guest house that we had out the back, we wanted that to be an actual detached granny flat. To meet the fire safety guidelines and everything, we decided to sort of overcome that by joining it up with a breezeway.
So aesthetically, we thought it would be much nicer, do a glass breezeway, and we're going to do a beautiful feature tile through there, and that's how we've joined up the two properties. Welcome back everyone. So much has happened. We've now got a full house structure with a roof.
Plumbing rough-in's done. We've got some windows in. Started on the cladding, which is good.
On the solar installation. Front and back decks put on, concreting put around the pool, all the tiling's been done, painting.
It's been very exciting actually seeing the spaces come to life, you know, and being able to stand in them. And
it really feels like a house now.
The biggest issue that we've come across quoted for the windows, one was just made too small. And another thing with building, I suppose, quick call from the carpenter saying, we need all of your plumbing supplies here, ready for rough-in on Monday. And we're like, great, we haven't even picked them up yet. So these issues haven't been major, so to speak, so far, which is great. You know, all of these problems can be resolved. It's just more to the point, stay on track with what's happening and pay attention to detail to avoid them. As being first home builders ourselves, we've never gone through this process. The more you stay on top of it, the better the experience will be. It's all go from here. A couple of minutes and we'll be getting the keys to our new place. Finally
so
here.
You excited?
Yeah.
Let's go take a look at the beautiful Ohana Beach House.
Just good to see the whole project, you know, come to an end and see it all finished, and so proud of what we achieved.
We love the property and it's exactly how we envisioned. We've actually got something to say